Have you ever noticed that the more money you make, the more money you somehow spend? Yeah, this is called lifestyle inflation. It's when your spending increases every time your income goes up, and before you know it, you're earning more, but still not saving anything. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix lifestyle inflation and take control of your money in 2026. All right, first step, recognize the signs of lifestyle inflation. Maybe you got a raise and suddenly upgraded your phone, started eating out more, or subscribed to a bunch of new services. Individually, these upgrades feel small, but together they slowly absorb every extra dollar you earn. One of the easiest ways to fight lifestyle inflation is to delay upgrades. So when your income increases, don't immediately upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, wait a few months. This gives you time to decide whether the upgrade is actually necessary or just an impulse. Here's a powerful rule. Whenever your income increases, increase your savings first. For example, if you get a raise, automatically move a portion of that extra income into savings or investments before you adjust your spending. Another smart strategy is setting what's called a lifestyle ceiling. This means deciding the maximum amount you'll spend on things like rent, cars, or entertainment, even if your income keeps rising. Anything above that limit goes towards savings, investing, or long-term goals. A lot of people upgrade their lifestyle because it feels rewarding in the moment. And yeah, that feeling is real. But long-term financial freedom often comes from resisting those constant upgrades. When you prioritize freedom over comfort, your money starts working for your future instead of disappearing every month. So yeah, lifestyle inflation can quietly keep you stuck even as your income grows. But by delaying upgrades, increasing savings first, and setting spending limits, you can actually turn higher income into real financial progress. If this guide helped you out, check out more personal finance and mindset videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.